How to fix link direct open on browser. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to fix the issue of links opening in your browser instead of the desired app. People may experience this problem when clicking a link, which often opens the browser like Chrome or Firefox. In Intended application, this can be frustrating, especially if you prefer using specific apps for certain tasks. I'll guide you through some simple steps to change these settings on your device. First, swipe down from the top of your screen and tap the gear icon in the top right corner to access the settings. Once in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Apps and tap on it. In the Apps menu, select Choose Default Apps, then scroll down and click on Opening Links. Look for the option called Open Links in the app. This settings allows links to open directly in their respective applications. Even if they are not installed, toggle this switch on to enable it. Next, you will need to configure individual apps. Tap on any app from the list that you want to set up. Once you have selected an app, find the switch next to Open Supported Links and toggle it on. Repeat this process for any other applications you want to automatically open links. This way, whenever someone sends you a link related to the specific app, it will open directly in your app without going through your web browser. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.